Flat feet, pain on the bottom part of the feet, what's a chiropractic adjustment that we can help out with that? So, flat foot this way, what is it doing anatomically? This main bone right here is called your navicular. It'll actually drop. Set up on it, rotate the foot over, and push it back up. So when that navicular drops, it causes the toes to kind of go out to the side, and you'll develop a fun little bunion right here. So we're gonna try to make sure that toe is in the right position. And then your calcaneus, your heel, will kind of rotate out and kind of dip in funny. So that's what our adjustment's gonna look like. Good. Now we're gonna go ahead and adjust the heel, the calcaneus. Good. I like to kind of get the met heads to move, and then I'll adjust this bunion. There it is.